Visi 3 to 5 axis machining provides the operator with a productive solution for creating highly efficient toolpaths with advanced collision control for complex 3D data. 3 to 5 axis toolpath conversion, multiple tool tilting options, full gouge protection, and kinematic simulation. We'll open up the model here and I'll show you that this program is orange, which means there's a collision detected. It shows us in our log window the tool holders colliding with the model geometry. If we run a toolpath simulation on this, using our toolpath laboratory, you can clearly see the holder is violating the lifter. Visi has a simple solution for tilting this holder out of the way. Transform operation, auto tilting. We enter a holder clearance, a maximum tilting angle. We tell it to stay in 5 axis. Also, we can tell it to gradually tilt. We build this operation. Once the operation is complete, we can then view it in the toolpath laboratory to verify that our holder will clear. You can clearly see the holder's tipped out of the way. If we zoom in, you can see it's maintaining that 50 thousandths distance we had programmed. Now we can run kinematic simulation. In Kinematic Simulator, you can see the complete machine movements to verify nothing will be colliding with the machine or the holder. For a better view, we can turn off the machine housing and rotate around to the back side. Thank you for watching.